Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to Hijabista. If you are a young mom, you must be experiencing a stage where your kids are just learning to walk and they are just learning to explore, and the thing that affects us the most is opening up our bedside table or dressing table drawers and picking up everything that's inside of these drawers and throwing them all around the floor. Admit it, we have all been through this, and it's the most tiring part to keep taking everything and putting it inside the drawers only to find that the drawers are empty again because everything's on the floor again. So the best thing to do to tackle this problem is basically have some drawer locks. So you get these child safety drawer locks online. I think you get them in stores as well. So I was just googling up some child safety locks because I was fed up by the amount of times that I have to clean the drawers. So I was checking out some of these child safety locks and I saw like a couple of them on First Cry, and it was like a couple for like 200 or 250, and I was like, that's not really worth it because I have like 5 drawers that need to be locked. I just thought, why not make a child safety drawer lock by myself? So the end result that I'm going to show you guys is just 20 rupees. Believe me or not, it's 20 rupees. This DIY just costs 20 rupees. So here I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own DIY child safety drawer locks. Let's see. So here I have black velcro, the soft and the rough side. You can take any color according to your furniture. Since I have dark brown furniture, I am taking black velcro. Now using a measuring tape, I'm measuring the area around the drawer. So this is basically 7 inches. So we need 7 inches of the rough velcro, and we need two strips of 2 inches of the soft velcro. Now here I'm going to be cutting this off. 7 inches of this velcro and 2 inches of the soft velcro, 2 pieces of 2 inches. Now we can decorate the rough velcro, like you could use fabric washi tapes. At first I was thinking of decorating them, but the whole idea is to camouflage them so that it does not attract the babies. So I'm not decorating them. So here I have some double-sided tape and I'm going to stick this on the soft velcro, the 2-inch strips. I have those 2 strips, and to that I'm going to be attaching this double-sided tape. Now we are going to use this on one side of the furniture and the other strip on the drawer itself. Now placing the rough velcro exactly on top and pressing it down, this completely seals the entire thing, and I'm trying to push really hard and you can see it does not come off. If you want to open the lock, you just have to open the velcro and you can open the drawer. So I'm going to do the same thing to the top drawer to show you again. So here it is, and sealing it nice and tight, and no matter how hard I pull this off, I'm using all my effort and it doesn't come. Now wasn't that super duper easy? Like these basically cost just 20 rupees and I have my drawer of my drawers locked. No more tension, no more problem. Finally. So with this, I'm going to end my video today. I hope you liked today's video. I will see you next time. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.